Hey YouTube, First on Auto Parts here, and got this truck here. This is the Ford Ranger Lariat Raptor, I guess it is, or Tremor, that's what it is. Anyway, customer had it towed in to us, said his shifter, this is what it's doing. He had already started taking it apart. He says he thinks he broke something. I'm going to pull this apart and take a look and see what we got. When you're pulling these apart, the customer had already taken the cover loose here. I believe it just snaps out. But you've got to pull this piece here. Before you can pull this piece, there are side panels right here. And these pop off. You got one on this side, and you have one on this side. And then right here is a screw. And another one right here. You take these out, and you can take this piece off, and then the console will come off, and then let me get down digging in here. There was a recall on the shifter clips. This one was not listed on the recall, but I don't know if he broke something or not. But I'm going to get down in here and take a look, see what I can find, and I'll bring you back. All right. Once you take out these two 7mm head bolts here, this top piece will pop out. You see there's a clip here and a clip here. You have to pull it and pop this out. And then now I'm able to move this. And I can pull, I'm going to go ahead and take these wires off and get this out of my way, and because I'm sure I'm going to have some wires here too. Give me just a second. Okay, I've got this removed here. Once I remove that top piece, this panel here will pop out. You have a connector right here for the shift selector, and there are two more connectors, right here. These connectors, these here, you push in on the end here, and that they'll pop out. Hang on, let me flip this around for you here so you can see better. On this end right here, you see that little tab right there? You pull that tab in, and these will pull right out. Now I still have a wire connected here, but I don't need that. That's out of my way because now I can access my shifter. So I have to pull this one right here for the shift selector, and then these two for the what were those? For these knobs right here, different heaters and control trailer knobs, stuff like that. So, all right, well, let me get this shifter out and let me see what is broken here. I think I see something right down in here. I don't know how much the customer's in. That looks like the shift cable. Oh, yeah, look at it. There's the shift cable right here, not even attached. And it looks like he tried to fix it with some tape or something. I bet what happened is this clip failed, and he tried to fix it with some tape or something, and it come back off again. Customer's already been in here once. So anyway, let me get to this and see the direct problem. All right, now that I've got the panels off, I'm ready to remove this right here. And there are 3 torque screws here. These are T25. So I have one there, one here, and one on this side. There's 3 holding this on. You still won't be able to get this plate off because this cross piece here, there is another T25 down here. And when you remove it, then you'll be able to pull this piece up, this brace, and remove it. And then you can get this shifter boot. Let me get so you can see here. There you go. Now I can access the shifter. Here is where the customer tried to fix it himself. It looks like he put tape on the end. Well, tape's not going to do it because this goes on here and there's a clip that goes right here. I don't see the clip, but that still doesn't answer this problem right here. So it looks like he may have got some stuff off here. Oh, if I'm looking right, that piece right there is broke. So it looks like we're going to end up having to replace the entire shifter. But let me take a double check, but I'm pretty sure that's it. All right. I was able to put this on and push it forward and get this back up in park. It was stuck in neutral. But anyway, I got it, so I've got it in park. But he is going to need a shifter, so we're going to have to order a whole new shifter assembly for this gentleman and put it in. And that should take care of his problem. But having to get inside of here, it's not overly difficult. Just make sure you take the right steps. Don't break any of these clips. You see you have a lot of these clips right here. They pop in. And just make sure you get those 2 hidden bolts back here. This one and that one, so you can take this piece out, and then your shifter will pop right off.